day, sir. Okay, good day, sir. How can I help you? Good day, sir. How can I help you?
I would like to file a complaint regarding to a serious physical injury happened last night.
Sorry to hear that. Sir, please have a seat and can you describe what happened that day? Please have a seat, sir. Can you tell me what happened that day and can you express me some details about that day?
Yes, officer. When I was
You can tell me what happened last night and the details.
Yes, officer. Last night, when I was walking back to my home, Mr. Jimenez approached me. No. He seemed agitated and started yelling at me. Then, before I could react, he attacked me, hitting me repeatedly.
Do you have any injury, sir?
Yes, officer. I have bruises and broken arm. I went to the hospital immediately after. Yes, officer. I have bruises and broken arm. I went to the hospital immediately right after the incident happened.
That must be distressing for you, Mr. We need those records for you. And do you have any witness in that day?
Yes, I have a witness. Mr. Mutia should be here soon.
Good afternoon, officer. I am here to support Mr. Sarsali for her complaint. And I can give my statement.
Thank you, sir, for coming. Please have a seat. And can you tell me what you saw last night?
When I was walking nearby and I heard shouting and I saw Mr. Jimenez attacking Mr. Sarsali. I tried to intervene but the suspect ran away.
Thank you for your statement. I will need your contact information for the investigation. Sir. Thank you, sir. Please have a seat, sir. Good day, Mr. Jimenez. You are being accused for a serious physical injury by Mr. Sarsali. Is that true?
This is misunderstanding. I never intended to harm Mr. Sarsali. We had a disagreement and things escalated. I'm truly sorry for what happened.
Can you explain to me why you do that for that to Mr. Sarsali and what is your reason for being serious physical injury by Mr. Sarsali?
Actually, I don't mean hurt Mr. Sarsali but due to my tempered, the reason of my tempered to Mr. Sarsali is stole my girl and the reason of my temper is Mr. Sarsali and my girl is kissing in the street and I saw them.
Okay, sir. We will have investigation for that scene so that we can know what is really happened in the day and we can support each other to know your idea why. Okay, sir. We will conduct the investigation in that day to know who is really telling the truth and to punish the person that is involved in that day. Okay, sir. Mr. Sarsali, we will also need your evidence and for your medical certificate to know that is highly true about your statement for Mr. Jimenez.
I have some photographs of my injuries and some written messages from the suspect. I provide them to you.
Mr. Jimenez, do you have any witness to know your support of evidence in that day?
No, I don't have, officer. I was alone at the time, but I want to make it clear that I was never intention to cause serious harm.
Mr. Mucha, can you tell me to the detailed account what, how, where, when, why, and that day happened?
Alone at Magusaling Purok 5 at exactly 11 a.m. in the evening. And I saw Mr. Jimenez attacking Mr. Sarsale. I don't know what is the reason of Mr. Jimenez attacking Mr. Sarsale. Because when I was in, I saw Mr. Jimenez, he started attacking to Mr. Sarsale. So that's why I don't know what is the reason of Mr. Jimenez of attacking to Mr. Sarsale.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your statement. We will have a crucial investigation. We will keep you updated on the progress on that scene. Thank you, Mr. Mutia, for your statement. We will be crucial in our investigation. We will keep you updated on the progress for the case.